Good morning, class. How are you? This is your favorite math teacher talking to you, Mr. Joe. I hope everybody's well. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're keeping yourselves busy. All right, so this week's assignment, we're talking about triangle congruence. All right, so first let's talk about the word congruence. What does congruence mean? It means the same exact shape, same exact in every respect. The sides are the same length, the angles are the same length. They are exactly the same triangles. All right. Okay. So there's a couple of different ways we can do this. All right. And up here at the top, you can see that we have side, 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 or we have side, angle, side. All right. So if we look at number one here, number one, we have this side and this side. They are congruent. We have this side and this side. That is congruent. And we have our third side. So using side, 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 we say that this is what? Yes, they are what? They are congruent. All right, so let's look at number two. Number two, let's see what we got here. Well, we got a side here. We have a side here. Oh, we have a side here and a side here. And we have what's called the included angle. Listen, if it had given us this angle and this angle, that wouldn't work. That would not work because it's not in the middle. The angle has to be in the middle. Does that make sense? It has to be between. The angle has to fall between those two sides. So this would not work, but this does. It's side, side, and we have the included angle. All right, let's look down at the third one here. The third one down here, look what we have. We have a side. We have a side. We have another side and another side. Nothing we can do. Nothing at all. Because for this to work, class, this would have to be the included angle. We would have to know that these two angles are what? Are congruent. And we don't know that. It doesn't give me that information, right? So since it just gives me these two right here, this doesn't work. This doesn't work, all right? What this is here, this is side, side angle. And side, side angle does not work. Notice it's not up here. It's not up there, side, side angle, okay? All right, let's go down here to number two if we could. Number two. All right, so what are we looking at? It says we have three ways here. We have angle, side, angle. We have angle, angle, side. And we have HL. HL just stands for what? When we have what? Right triangles. You have to have a right triangle. And inside the right triangle there, we have a little box showing us that it's a right triangle. And for it to be congruent, you would need to have the hypotenuse and one of the legs to work. Okay, so let's go look at number one. Number one, what do we have? We have an angle. We have an angle. We have another angle and another angle. And what's really important here is it also contains the side between these two angles. All right, so we have an angle here and we have an angle here and we have the side between them. That's what we need. This works. So this is going to be angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle, and we say what? Yes, they are congruent. Let's look at this one here. Well, it's a right triangle. Could it be HL? Could it be a hypotenuse leg? Well, let's find out. Well, we know it's a right triangle, right? We have two right triangles. It has the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse for both of them. That works. Oh, wait. We also have a leg. They share this leg here. Therefore, we have hypotenuse, leg, and our answer is what? Yes. Our last one here. Let's check this out. Let's see what we have. Well, we have a side, we have a side, we have another side, we have another side. This is not going to work. The only way, class, that this would work would be if it had this angle. It has to be the included angle. In other words, the angle that falls between it. Since it does not contain that angle there, and it just has this here one. This would be just like this one. This one's going to be just like this one up here. All right. It's going to, what we have here is we have side angle. Side angle does not work. So my answer here is what? No. All right. Just like it's no up here. All right, so listen, I hope you and your families are doing well. All right, try to stay busy if you can. I'm here for you, so if you need me, please reach out to me. All right, you guys have a great day now. All right, bye now.